Think of and take her thing.
Look at that. Look at the fish.
Grab it.
Yeah.
Now if I look straight down, there's not really anything. Kind of scurry. Look at the fish.
That's cool.
So on a very sunny day when we can see in the pond because the sun's
Look,
out.
he's huge.
Yep.
That'll be on your video at 1 minute and 12 seconds. Nice.
He's swimming with the fishes. Does it give a battery thing so you know when to get it back?
It says it lasts up to 15 minutes.
It's got a battery life.
Where'd my camera go?
Right there.
Oh. Let's go to the deep end.
You can't see that. Might as well stay by the action.
Yeah.
We go too far and then that'll risk us too.
Leave all that cramps come back up too. You got to break it down.
Yeah.
Whoa. Big fishy.
You need to go towards where the fishies are, baby. This way. Forward. Left. Left. Forward. Yeah, right there. You should see fishies all right there.
Look at these fishies.
That is cool. Okay, so submarine would be even cooler. Still pretty cool.
Yeah, but
Look at that! Look at him!
Yeah, there's a fatty. Holy crap, she's following him. He's a fatty. We'll have that at 2 seconds, 2 minutes and 50 seconds on the video.
He was a big fish.
He really was. He looked like damn pan fry.
They make him into some stir fry. Oh, hi, fishy. Hold on, let me see here.
You can see some of these with color right here. That's cool. There's Fatty. Come here, Fatty. Come here, Fatty. Dang, Fatty moved too.